Did you know your daily decisions have an impact on the planet? For example, when given the option for drying your hands in the restroom, do you know what the most sustainable choice is? A new third-party verified Comparative Life Cycle Assessment by TrueNorth Collective confirms Excel hand dryers reduce carbon footprints by up to 94% compared to paper towels. Beyond the carbon footprint, there are other key sustainability measures to consider if you are still using paper towels, such as water consumption, pollution, waste, air quality, resource depletion, and more. In contrast, Excel hand dryers use minimal energy, eliminate waste, and offer a more sustainable solution. Less water pollution. Lower acid rain formation. Better air quality. Fewer fossil fuel emissions. Significantly lower water consumption. That's why Excel hand dryers are the eco-friendly choice, helping facilities cut emissions, reduce waste, and lower costs, all while advancing global sustainability efforts. Now more than ever, businesses need a hygienic, cost-effective hand drying solution that delivers reliable and sustainable performance. Excel Dryer, time to throw in the towel.